Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Siri and dictation history on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Siri or Siri in Search, depending on your iOS version. After that, scroll down again until you find Siri and dictation history and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option to delete Siri and dictation history. Simply tap on it and confirm your choice when prompted. Once confirmed, Apple will remove your Siri and dictation interaction history associated with your device. This is a great way to improve your privacy and clear previously stored voice interaction data. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Siri and dictation history on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.